Aloha Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Thursday, May 6. The Department of Health is reporting one new case today, an adult visitor whose case is associated with international travel. We have 63 active cases, none are hospitalized. 382 people are in Department of Health directed quarantine. The numbers may change as investigation continues. We want to encourage anyone who has tested positive to fully cooperate and participate in the state's contact tracing process. This is how we track down cases and successfully stop the spread. Our cumulative case count total is 339, including 301 confirmed locally, 2 probable, and 36 tested out of state off island but reported after arrival to Kauai. Small business is at the core of our community, and many of our small businesses have suffered under this pandemic. And some have suffered in spite of doing everything that has been asked of them and more. When I think of businesses who have done everything right over the course of this pandemic, we think of Rob's Good Times Grill. They've implemented excellent safety protocols, but as we know, they've recently been affected by COVID-19. We have the owner, Rob Silverman, here today to give us a quick update.
Mahalo, Mayor. I appreciate you having me on today. I'd just like to let everybody know that we appreciate all your support through this whole thing. We are definitely ready to open Saturday. All of our staff's been fully tested 2 times since we've been closed, so we've been closed for 9 days now. We're super confident that everybody's safe and healthy. As far as precautions in the restaurant go, we've been doing this procedures for the whole year we've been open, so we're pretty used to what we got to do. So, people are sanitized, temperature checked. We have our facility sprayed every day before we open. Kauai Line Sanitation comes in and they do a great job for us. And we feel we're really ready to proceed safely. So we look forward to seeing everybody on Saturday at Rob's, and we'll be open on Sunday for Mother's Day as well.
Mahalo, Rob, and mahalo to your hardworking staff. We look forward to your reopening this weekend. And again, we all can do our part to keep our businesses open by doing our part to stop the spread. Wear your masks and stay home if you're feeling sick. Today, May 6, because of a significant increase in our case count, Kauai moves into Tier 3 of our Kauai Business and Recreation Guidelines. The proposed change moves the social gathering limit to 5 indoors and keeps the outdoor limit at 25. It also allows team sports to continue with strict COVID-safe protocols in place. We are hopeful that we can work together to contain our case counts and get back to Tier 4 as soon as possible. The tier chart and attached guidelines can be found on the county's website at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To date, we have administered 62,000 vaccinations. Vaccines are widely available. If you have not been vaccinated, please schedule your appointment now. Visit kauai.gov/vaccine for more information about where to get your vaccination. Ho'ola Lahui Community Center, Malama and the Department of Health will be offering a pop-up vaccine clinic in Anahola from 1 to 2:30 p.m. this Saturday, May 8th at the Anahola Clubhouse. If you live in the Anahola area and would like a vaccine, please complete the survey, which can be found at kauai.gov/vaccine. For assistance or more information, please call Ho'ola Lahui Clinic at 808-938-0938. Starting on Tuesday, May 11th, Hawaii residents who have been fully vaccinated in Hawaii will be able to travel inter-island and be exempt from the travel quarantine without needing a pre-travel test. If you are traveling inter-island from then on and have been vaccinated in the state of Hawaii, you may upload a photo of your vaccine card or VAMS verification onto your Safe Travels profile. You can start that process tomorrow, Friday, May 7th, for travel May 11th and beyond. For those who have not been vaccinated in the state or are traveling trans-Pacific, you may still take a pre-travel test to participate in the state's Safe Travels program and be exempt from the travel quarantine. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, including a full list of trusted testing partners and more details on the vaccine exemption program, please visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. We recognize that even if you have been vaccinated, there is a small risk of infection, so we continue to encourage travelers and those exposed to travelers to take advantage of our free COVID-19 testing program. Anyone can walk in and get a free COVID-19 test at the convention hall Monday through Fridays from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. If you have been identified by the Department of Health as a close contact of a positive case, you should be getting tested through your physician at a drive-through clinic. If you're feeling sick, contact your healthcare provider. Please do not show up to the convention hall clinic if you have symptoms. We ask everyone, including incoming travelers, to download the Aloha Safe Alert app onto your smartphone. Aloha Safe Alert is an official exposure notification which alerts you if you've been in close contact with someone exposed to COVID-19. This app does not track your location. We also encourage travelers and those exposed to travelers to take a free COVID-19 test, which is available without appointment at the convention hall from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Fridays, except holidays. The county's 2021 Coronavirus Rental and Utility Assistance Program launches May 10th. It will be administered by Kauai Government Employees Federal Credit Union. Online applications will be accepted at www.kauaiRentHelp.com. In-person application assistance will be available at the Lihue Civic Center Pi'ikoi building from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on May 11th. The program is for households that have been impacted directly or indirectly by the COVID-19 pandemic. Those past due on their rent or utilities are encouraged to apply for the program. Once again, the website is www.kauaiRentHelp.com. The Small Business Administration is working on a new program to bring significant financial help to restaurants, food trucks, bakeries, caterers, bars, and related businesses hurt by the COVID crisis. The Restaurant Revitalization Fund is part of the American Rescue Plan Act. To learn more, visit sba.gov/restaurants. The County of Kauai Planning Department is inviting the community to vote in the Waimea 400 Student Design Challenge from May 6th to the 14th. The program challenged 9 West Kauai student teams in grades 9 and 10 to develop conceptual plans for the county's Waimea 400 site. Voting will be available at www.waimea400.com starting May 6. In-person voting will also be available at Waimea Public Library. We know what works to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please wear your mask. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. Wash your hands, keep your distance, avoid gatherings, and of course, consider getting a vaccine. Mahalo for helping to keep Kauai safe.